Hello friends, welcome back to school science project. Today I have two bottles in my table. One is filled up with cold water and another one is filled up with hot water. Today I will demonstrate how density works in different temperature in water. So let's start. First we need to mix one type of color in one bottle and another type of color in another bottle. I will use paint coloring. You can also use food coloring. I will mix blue color in cold water. And red color for hot water. After that, we need a thick sheet of paper or a plastic sheet and put it on top of the bottle filled up with hot water, and then flip it upside down on top of the bottle filled up with cold water. And then we need to carefully take out the plastic sheet or a thick sheet of paper very carefully so that water doesn't flows out. Friends, as you can see, water are not mixing together. Now let's flip it upside down and let's see what happens. Friends, as you can see, they both are mixing together and red is going up and blue is going down. Now, let's delve into the science behind of this phenomenon. In the case number 1, the hot water was up and the cold water was down. So, hot water is less dense than the cold water, so it remained up. But the cold water is more denser than the hot water, so it remained separated, and the cold water was remaining down and the hot water was remained up, and they both got separated. But in the case number 2, the cold water was up and the hot water was down. So the hot water went up and the cold water went down, as hot water has less dense than the cold water and the cold water has more density than the hot water, and they both got mixed. Friends, can you guess of an example? Yes friends, ocean currents. Ocean currents in our earth are like this example. First ocean current is in Indian Ocean. There is two currents in Indian Ocean. First, warm current and the second is cool current. Warm current goes from equator to the poles. Equator to the poles. And the cool current goes from poles to the equator. There are 4 currents in Atlantic Ocean. One is the Gulf Stream. Here is the Gulf Stream. It is the most hottest ocean current in the world. It goes from the equator to the poles, and the Labrador current is the most coldest current in the world. It goes from equator to the poles. Friends, there are also two currents Like one is in the warm water current and another is cool water current. Cool water current goes from here, the cool water current goes from here to the equator, and the warm water current goes from equator to the poles. Friends, it is very interesting. You should try it at your home. Hope you like my video. Thank you.